Just got a package in the mail this afternoon. Somebody mailed me something to sharpen, so we got to open it up and find out what it is. Alright, so in that mail-in package we got a pair of old pinking shears and an old pair of scissors. I cleaned both of them up. I need to clean the pinking shears up a little bit more with some goo gone, but they're in fairly clean shape. So we're going to test them before we sharpen them, and then we're going to sharpen them and test them again. So let's get out a piece of cloth, 1-ply cloth, and we want to see how the pinking shears cut. And they don't cut. Oh my God! They cut at the tip. Oh, they're real rough. Very rough. Very rough. Let's try the scissors. And the scissors don't cut at all. So we're going to sharpen them. And I'm going to speed up that part of the video, and then we're going to come back and test them again. All right, we got both pairs sharpened, so let's try the scissors first. And they are cutting just beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. Pinking shears. Let's get a new piece of cloth out so we can look at it real good and hope it doesn't make a liar out of me. Let's try it. Cutting great. It's not cutting all the way at the back. Well, I guess it is. Okay. I was kind of worried about it not cutting all the way at the back, but it is. There we go. Mail in. Now we'll mail them back out tomorrow. Cheers.